1960 Buick LeSabre 4-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. You'll also hear these called flat tops. Numbers matching. Engine underneath the hood, 364 cubic inches. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front on this one. Of course, that cool 1960 Buick front end. Love the looks of those. Did notice there is a little grill piece that's kind of chipped out or broke out of that one spot on the grill. This is an original Arctic white car, top to bottom, CC paint code. Trim is 471, so red and black interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this thing from every angle: undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. A little wider white wall radial on there. Steel wheels, wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. These swooping body lines. There's a little pitting on the rear view mirrors I did notice on both sides. The panels appear to be pretty darn straight. Bright work looks good up and down the passenger side, with the exception of that rear view mirror and some pitting. Vinyl interior. Does show a little wear in this rear seat over here. Passenger side, front seats looking good. Seat belts. Stock looking dash. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. This car will come with a car cover I'll put back in the trunk. As we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Of course, those 60s wings in the back. When the car was more like a piece of art, then they all look the same today. All right, a few technician notes on this one. Gentleman that looked at it in our service department. Brakes are 90% up front. The rears are new 100%. Get to that in a second. It does have new lower ball joints, new front wheel cylinders and brake hoses, new rear wheel cylinders and brake shoes. So there's your 100% in the rear. Did note the heater core was bypassed. No needle in the gas gauge. And the exhaust is running basically a straight pipe from the front to the rear. And we'll start it up, let you hear it run. There's a little bit of rumble to it. Older tires will need attention sooner than later if you're going to take it out and drive it on the highway. And did mention the tranny does have a leak to it. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these 60s Buicks, late 50s Buicks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor, of course. And you can see paint has a nice shine to it over on this driver's side. Bright work up and down the edge of the car. Also nice shape. A little bit of pitting by the rear view mirror also. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Maybe a peek at the back seat. So it's just the area kind of up where the shoulders would be that do show some wear right from the sun. Hear that door close? Don't sound like that anymore. Door panel looking pretty good. And front seats. I haven't noticed any real rips, tears, holes in the front seat. There's a little wear area, I guess, above the lever for adjusting the seat forward or backwards. All right, let's go ahead. Fire this up. One of the things I always liked about this, or I should say, this body style Buick, this vintage, this is actually a mirror and can be adjusted. That's reflecting the actual odometer from down below, so that can be adjusted. And a cool feature from back in 1960. As far as starting it, yes, I just turned the key on and pushed the pedal. If you like to see that it's working like it should, of course, a Buick feature. good. Door closes nicely. Here's what I meant, a little bit of rumble. Again, kind of a straight pipe, I would say. Look at the underside pics, you'll see what I'm talking about. Let me go ahead and slip up to the front, pop this hood open, take a peek at this engine bay, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive, take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Stick around. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So again, numbers matching, 364 cubic inch V8. You'll see a picture of the cowl tag, data plate. In the still pictures, you'll see the VIN plate. I'm not doing any decoding. So original engine that would have came with the car. '60 Buick LeSabre, 4-door sedan or flat top. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. All those still pictures, should be over 100 pictures online. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a nice big 1960 Buick. Great body lines on this car. Now up on the top of the dash it says LeSabre. This car is also known as a flat top. And it is a sedan. It's a 4-door with some very cool styling. There's a little bit of slack in the steering as you'd expect from a car from this era. Our blower motor works. Our AM radio
center of the American experiment, Minnesota,
is picking up stations. The Sonomatic, the original radio. Speedometer is the awesome kind that looks like mercury filling a vial as you speed up. The orange moves over to the right. That appears to be reading accurately. Luxurious ride from this Buick, absorbing all the road's imperfections. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota. It is a cold day. So if you're hearing any wind noise, that's usually the reason why, not the car's weather shipping. There is some cracking on the driver's door glass. Overall, this car is in great shape. The red and white interior with black against the chrome and the white exterior, looking really good. Corners luxuriously as you would expect a large Buick boat to corner. I lovingly call it a boat. Nice acceleration from the big V8. Perfect road tripping car. Check out all the pictures and all the details of this Buick at uniqueclassiccars.com.